So these directions are going to show you how to clean up your image when you are done with it. So you'll see on the left it says before I use my magic wand to clean up, and then afterwards you can see again that black outline that goes around that form, for instance the cone. So when you guys are working, you're going to notice that you're going to blend and blur out, and that's okay because afterwards you're going to clean up with your magic wand. So here's the project I've been working on, and you can see I've been using my mixing brush and I have blended outside that black outline so it doesn't look clean. I'm going to go down to my magic wand layer and I'm going to click once on it to highlight it. The layer that I want to clean up is my cone. I'm going to press W on my keyboard and I'm going to check and make sure by pressing and holding that I'm using the magic wand tool, which I am. Now I'm on the magic wand layer and I'm going to click once, and what it's doing is it's highlighting the cone. Let me turn this off so you can see. If I end up going to my cone layer and pressing delete, it's going to delete all the work I've done. That's not good. So I'm going to do Control-Z to undo that. And what I need to do is I need to change my selection. So I'm going to go up here to select inverse. And what that's going to do is it's going to select the opposite area, the area outside of the cone. So now when I press delete on my keyboard, it deletes everything that is outside of the cone. When I do Control-D to deselect, you'll see that this is nice and cleaned up. So again, using that magic wand, it allows you to take this area and clean it up so it looks like this. So these directions are